It's a fall day, we're planting some garlic. That's what's going on at Noah's house. All right, guys, so, whew, out of breath, I just ran up the steps. I'm gonna plant my garlic today. Hands down, latest I've ever planted it. I know I said that last year in my video, but it is November 12th. And I have held off planting the garlic because the last 2 weeks, we were averaging temperatures in the 70s. A couple days were 78, 79, and I just thought it was too warm for garlic. So this morning I got up, it's cooled off. We're supposed to stay cool until May, April. No, but winter's coming, so. And I'm also gonna spin you around. I'm gonna plant garlic in a different spot, never planted it before. So this, if you go back in some of my videos, tomato videos especially, is just, oh, look at all the leaves. I've done them another time. Check out that video of me doing leaves the first time. But this right here is where, it's just out front, there's a wall. This is all compost here. And I grew tomatoes here this year. And they grew like mad. They were the best producers out of my whole garden. I have a terrible time growing garlic. And I figure everything likes to grow out here. Why don't we put some garlic out here? Let me get the tripod set up, chat with you a little bit, and show you the size of the garlic cloves I'm planting this year as well. Give me a sec. So what's up, guys? I don't have my microphone out today, but hopefully, oh, you get to hear all the cars driving past. But I don't have my microphone on because I don't think it's charged, and well, I didn't want to do it. This is my bag of garlic. I split the cloves out, and you get to see the size some of these cloves. Look at them. They're huge. And they're all averaging that size. So here I always blow leaves in, and these plants, which we planted when we built the wall for a nice border, are taking over and a real pain, you know what I mean. I blow all the leaves to keep all the compost covered up throughout the winter. Put that little border there just this year makes it easier to cut the grass. But, excuse me, I'm just gonna go through here and randomly pluck the bulbs in. I'm just gonna kind of make a hole. I'm gonna take a clove and put it in there, just like so. Although I probably should have some idea of where they're going. Car. I should have some idea where they're going because I don't want to plant over them if they don't come up. They're usually the first things that come up. And also over there by the mailbox, I'm just gonna randomly, put a whole bunch of stuff in. So hey, let's get putting some bulbs in. Ooh, okay, well, it's pretty, soil's pretty cold. But I just randomly put them in. No rhyme, no reason, no harm, no foul. And I'll blow the rest of those leaves over here, which will kind of, you know, be a nice mulch for them. But I'm probably gonna pop the camera around and show you the mailbox location where I'm gonna put a good bit of these guys. Here we go. Okay, well there's the garlic. Randomly put in this flower slash vegetable bed. It did fall off the wall. I think it was out of camera. I slid. I looked like I meant to do it. I looked like my old skateboarding days. But I never have a good time growing garlic. It grows, but they're like this. They're tiny. A lot of them are smaller than the actual cloves that I planted. So this year I figured things like to grow out here. Compost is great out here. I'll amend it probably in spring. All these leaves will, sit here in the winter. I'm gonna blow more leaves in here for more mulch. And I don't know, we'll have to come back in spring/summer and see how they're going. And I'll also have to reference this video so I don't try to dig up spots where I put my bulbs. But hopefully they'll be popping up in spring and we'll see them big green shoots. Well, hey, this is the garlic planting for 2023 it's gonna be. And hopefully we get a good crop next year, because nothing is like homegrown garlic. I know garlic's cheap and you can buy it, but homegrown garlic, it tastes better, and it's a little better when you're cooking to know that you grew it. Well, hey, thanks for watching. Bye for now.